All right, this is compound inequalities with an OR statement. This is actually example number 3. I have 2r minus 5 is greater than 7. I'm going to start, I want to isolate my 2r on one side. I'm going to add the 5 to both sides, so adding 5 to the right hand side. I have 2r greater than 12. Still, I want to isolate that r, so 2 is multiplied by r. I'm going to divide by 2. 2 over 2 reduces to 1. Dividing the right hand side by 2. I have r is greater than 6 for that side. Looking at OR on the other side, I have 3 plus 3r is less than negative 12. Again, I want to isolate my r term, so I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. Bringing down my 3r, less than negative 12 minus 3 is negative 15. Again, I'm isolating r, so I'm going to do the opposite. 3 times r, I'm going to divide by 3. 3 over 3 is 1. Divide by 3 on the other side. And that leaves me with r is less than negative 5. Notice I don't change my sign this time. I'm not dividing by a negative. I'm dividing into a negative, so the sign stays the same. So I have r greater than 6 or r less than negative 5.